Alright, we've got some death sauce here for today's challenge. We're going to go through the drive-through, but before we order, we've got to have a teaspoon of this hot sauce. Let's see how this goes. I'm not looking forward to this, eh? This stuff sucks. Oh, nah, that's heaps.
Bon appetit. Let's go. How's it? Oh, perfect timing. You're up anyway.
Oh no. No, it's hitting. Go. Already. Oh no, it's well and truly big. Oh, it's well and truly. You're up there. Go. Oh my gosh, my mouth is burning, cunt. Oh no. I'm about to start.
Sorry about the wait, please. You're thank you.
No, that's alright. Do you sell milk?
We sell 2 litre milk.
Oh yeah, can I please have a 2 litre milk? And then can I also have a Big Mac? Fuck. Can I please have a Big Mac meal, large one?
With a Coke?
No, with a Slurpee, please.
Yeah, which one are you after?
The real large one, thanks.
Sorry?
The large one.
Yeah, you got a large meal, so which drink are you after?
Something rude, man.
Raspberry, pineapple, blueberry, mango, grape, pineapple,
Coke, please.
vanilla, Coke.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Coke, please.
Not a problem. Anything else?
Just that milk as well, thanks.
I've already got that one on there. 1720 drive through.
Thank you. Since when do Mac sell 2 litre milk? Come look at my eyes. Wait, give me something. Hey, do you have a bowl of ice cream?
No.
What's the biggest ice cream thingy you have?
We've got the...
Yeah, just grab the, one of those please, the big thing.
Just like a large plain sundae.
Yeah. And a stick shake or something, like with cream and...
Okay. So just like a large sundae.
Yeah, perfect. And a thick shake, please. And that's sweet. Thank you. I'll see you at the next window.
Oh, you got a line up.
Oh, no. Wait, my throat.
This is so awkward.
Oh, fuck. Sorry? Yes. Oh, fuck. Thanks. Thank you. Oh my god. No, it gets worse. This is so... I'm so jealous. Oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna need that. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, that is so... I'm happy right now.
You've done well.
This is a lot worse than you think it is right now. Wait, God, I actually need something.
Just keep your foot on that brake, mate.
Yeah, I'm so scared to... Start this. Oh my god, that's just spinning. Hurry up, you're getting fucking Hey, you got ice cream. Hey mate. Yeah. I need something quick, my mouth's burning. Fuck work. So, working?
Yep, just going to.
Ice cream, please. Fuck.
You didn't give us one of them again?
Fuck.
You sound like you're on helium.
Oh.
Is it good?
Oh, it's so good.
Did it fix it?
There you go.
Thanks, my man.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you
Thanks.
Exactly.
Is that a cup of cream?
I asked for a bowl, they gave me a fucking cup.